Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be another grocery shopping haul, alright? And today is going to be an Amazon shopping haul because I haven't done one in a while. And I've never done one on this channel. If you're new to this channel or new to me in general, I normally do these shopping hauls on my previous channel, my main channel. But I decided now to make this channel a mostly home kind of, you know, guide of stuff that I do at home with my kids, of what we eat, what I like to cook, and all sort of different stuff. So yeah, I like to do shopping hauls on this channel now. So if you're new to this channel, this is why I'm always posting grocery hauls and stuff like that. And I love shopping online because even before lockdown and just being a busy mom of four, I feel like it is definitely needed sometimes to stay safe at home. And it is good to help others to know that, yeah, you can stay at home and shop and you still get good groceries delivered to your home. So I really love Amazon for years, even before the whole lockdown situation. I've always loved shopping with Amazon. So I decided, why not? Because now they have a lot of free spaces, a lot of same day delivery, which I love, and I definitely recommend you guys to try them out. I've been trying them out for the past 4 years or so. Yeah, about that. 3, 4 years I've been doing Amazon, and I love everything about their online shopping because they have so many different variety of stuff. So I decided to pick up these bits and bobs, and they have many different stuff you can choose from. So I wanted to show you guys a variety of things that you can get on Amazon. So I've got couple things for the babies and for myself. So I've got lotions, body moisturizers. I've got this banana and coconut like dessert, like snack fruit thingy. I also got some wafers because the kids always want chocolate and I want chocolate sometimes. And I like to experiment with my cooking, so I like to try out different things. I also got these macaroons. I really love them. And I decided to only get one pack this time because I normally get 2 packs. I wanted to try out these cookies because we like cookies in this house so much. And as I said, I like to experiment with my cooking. I don't only eat them, I like to put them on porridge or in cakes or whatever. And I want to try out these big chunky ones, and this Lotus Biscoff is one of my favorites as well. It is so good. So I really did decided to pick up one because it is definitely affordable. And I also decided to pick up this peanut and caramel tracker bar. You get 5 in a pack or in this box, and I wanted to try them out because they're really good and I haven't tried them in years. So I saw them on offer, so I decided to pick it up. I also got some Robinson's juice because this is a good way for the kids to get more water in their diet, okay? And as a nutritionist, I believe in a balanced diet, so I decided to get that one. I'll show you guys in a bit what flavor I got. But yeah, I like to, shop around and look for different things that's on offer in different stores. And I decided to pick up these three because on Amazon they're £1.25, and I realized in other shops they're like £2 or different prices. So I decided to pick up three of them because they're so reasonable. I got two pepperonis and I got a chicken one. Yeah, so definitely can't wait to have these as a lunch or a snack. They're really good and tasty, just as the affordable or expensive popular ones that you get on the high street, okay? Beef mince is always needed in my house because I make multiple things with these, and I decided to pick up some king prawns as well. So these are going to be handy for my midweek cooking. I also got some frankfurters. We use them for many different things, but because I got some frankfurter rolls, I'm going to be making hot dogs. And I decided to pick up two of these Unken yogurt because we like these in the house. I love the cherry ones and the kids love the mango, papaya and passion fruit ones. So yeah, I decided to get different ones because they're only £1. And I got these rice cakes for the baby as well. I also got some pesto sauce, some chili ones, and 2 packs of these cookie mixes because I want to make some cookies with the kids. And instead of, always eating the shop bought ones, I decided let's make some, homemade cookies. So we are gonna go over to this baby right here that I've never tried before. So I'll definitely let you guys know what I think of it This avocado hummus sounds amazing because I love avocados, and I decided to pick that up to try it out. It looks really, really, really green. So it's made from just avocados. So I'm definitely going to let you guys know what it tastes like in another video. But it was really affordable actually. And I thought instead of buying avocados, I'll just pick that up. Got some butter to go with that. And yeah, I got these juices as well. I love the juices on Morrison's. I did another shopping haul on Morrison's, but that was on Deliveroo. But this time, Morrison's is also on Amazon. So Morrison's is everywhere these days, okay? So I'm really, really glad because I really like their juices. I've got two of their juices, and they're never from they're not from concentrate, so they're really, 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 really tasty. I decided to pick up this big pack of Oreos, and the kids already delved into it. They opened it because they're like, "Wow, we've never seen this one." So I'm really happy to try out this big box of the Oreos. It's got like 36 or more. It says in there, so yeah, it should last us for a few days because we like Oreo cookies in this house. So this was really affordable, and I thought, why not try out the bigger pack instead of the smaller packs which the kids normally have. So that's just some of the stuff that I've got so far. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some more stuff that I got, but you can definitely get a variety of things on Amazon, and I definitely recommend you guys try it out, even if it's just once. You definitely get a lot of things that you can get in the supermarket, or even things that you can't even get in the supermarket, okay? And this is a close-up of the diluted juice. I feel like the diluted juice is very, very, very tasty. And I also decided to pick up this big box of biscuits. This one's not going to get opened because this is like backup snacks and backup things for later on in the month, because I like to shop for the monthly even though I shop bi-weekly. I decided to pick up this box of 5 cookies, or should I say biscuits, which I thought was a reasonable price. So yeah, we got digestives, rich tea, ginger nuts, and the shortcake ones and hobnobs, always needed in my house. I also decided to get these crusty rolls because I'm always seeing them everywhere. I've never tried them, but I love this chef so much. He always looks like he bakes delicious food. So I wanted to try out one of his dishes. I've already tried out, I think it's cookie or bread mix before. So yeah, I want to try out these crusty rolls because they look delicious for breakfast. And I also decided to get some biscuits, more biscuits, bourbon biscuits, because we don't have any. So I got a bourbon biscuit, and I also got the custard creams because yeah, the kids always like a variety of different things. I've got 4 kids, so my house is definitely a hungry house. Okay. And as I said, I always make sure I monitor them, and they don't always only snack on rubbish or snack on junk. We also have some rice cakes. They love the caramel rice cakes, and it is really, really tasty. It's low fat, but you can definitely put things in it or just snack on it just like that. I find that Amazon sell them really, really reasonable, and I thought, why not just get 1 pack because I already have enough sweet things here. I've got these for myself to snack on. I feel like the baby likes these as well, so I thought, why not get them? They're really, really healthy, tasty. You can eat them by itself or with a dip. They're just vegetable crisp, different types of vegetables, and I'm telling you guys, I'm putting you on right now. These are so good, okay? Definitely get your hands on these. They have only vegetables and just like a little bit of salt. Very good if you don't want to add too much salt or too much added fake ingredients to your diet, okay? So definitely try out these vegetable crisps. As I said, I wanted to make some hot dogs as well, so I got hot dog rolls. These are already sliced, and I love the fact that it's just easy and ready to go, okay? So with these tracker bars, as I was trying to tell you guys, they're really, really good if you want to track your diet as well, because they're only 100 calories, 100 and a little bit calories per bar. And as I said, they're really, really good if you want to stay on track with your diet and also have something cheeky, okay? I decided to also pick some herbs up because I like the herbs. They always come nice and fresh, and they last good. They have a good date on them, okay? They last for a long time. So I got some rosemary and thyme, and I got this big jar of peanut butter. I didn't know it was going to be this big, but I'm really happy that I got it because every day I use peanut butter with my oats or in my smoothies or shakes or something. So I really like my peanut butter and I like it crunchy. Okay, next I decided to pick up some seasonings because I love my herbs and I love my seasoning. My food has to be really seasoned, so I got quite a few of them, and I've also got some stuff for baking. And I really like these sauces by Schwartz. So yeah, they're really affordable. You can get them cheaper maybe different places, but I found like Amazon really has good prices for their seasonings, and even Whole Foods even so really good prices on Amazon as well with their seasonings. So definitely check out them for their seasonings or even fresh ingredients like thymes and fresh fruits and stuff like that. Okay, so I got some thyme and spring onions, rosemary. I've got mangoes, I've got onions. I didn't show the onions, but I've got these easy peelers. Again, always get easy peelers. I'm always getting fruits and veggies, so I decided to pick up these as well on Amazon, and they look really good, so I can't wait for them to get kind of ripe because I can tell they're not ripe enough right now. Next, I have this beautiful big large chicken. Thank you, Amazon, because a lot of times I'll go in supermarkets and I found tiny chickens, and this was a really good price for this small chicken. It was actually £3 something for this chicken, so I'm really happy I got that. I got 2 whole long life milk just for backup because I'm always getting milk as essentials almost every 2 or 3 days. So I decided to get these long life ones because I really like long life milk. I feel like they last longer than the fresh milk. And I also got this bleach right here. Decided to try out the citrus one again because I really like the citrus flavor, and it just makes the toilet nice and clean and fresh. And I also got this Bio Laundry Capsules. Always try them from Amazon. The Morrison ones, as I said, are really good. Morrison does many different things that's so good and affordable. And I really like the soaps. I like the powder one and I like the capsules. So I decided to go ahead and pick up some capsules this time. And I also got more cleaning stuff because I like to clean and keep my home safe. So I got Dettol, this mega 1 liter one. It is super big. Okay, I really like the fact that it is so big and you can clean anywhere with this. I like anything with lime or lemon, and I decided, yeah, this was up my street. Definitely try out this brand if you want to keep your home safe and clean, especially if you have babies, pets, or anything like that. So they decided to get the apple and mango one because we like apple and mango in this house, and also just plain apple juice. But I decided to make the kids try out different things, so I got a tropical one and an apple and mango one. And the tropical one got a lot of different stuff in there as well that I feel like you can introduce into your kids' diet without them trying it as fresh fruits. And as I said, this one is also passion fruit and mango pineapple. So yeah, I like to introduce these things instead of just using the same old plain diluted juice or juices for the kids, and that way they'll get to try out different fruits without eating them. And this is for me, okay? This is for grown-ups. I have a Tassimo, which I haven't used in about a month, so I decided to go ahead and try out this Kenko one by Tassimo. It looks really good. I actually like trying out different ones. I love the Costa brand with Tassimo, so I wanted to try out the Kenko one. I'll let you guys know in the next video. But yeah, this is most of the stuff that I got that I can show you guys right now. I think I only got tissue and onions that I didn't show you guys, and they always have so many different varieties of tissues, and as I said, many different things you guys can choose from on Amazon. They have been helping me for many years, and I'm sure they will help you guys too, especially if you don't get to go out a lot and if you have busy household or busy lifestyle. You just need some online shopping in your life. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you want to see any more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm always putting out videos. I'm always shopping online because we're always eating. Okay, every day we eat, so stay tuned.